We must always have the dream. Without dreams, there is no hope. You have to fight to reach your dream, you have to sacrifice and work hard for it. If you enjoyed the video, please like video and subscribe channel. Think positive and have confidence. We have to improve and be in the best shape possible for the next game. You can overcome everything if only you love something enough. I do it because I love it, and that's all I care about. The best decisions aren't made with your mind, but with your instincts. My ambition is always to get better and better. A lion doesn't concern himself with the opinions of a sheep. Money is not a motivating factor. My motivation comes from playing the game I love. There are more important things in life than winning or losing a game. Without the help of my teammates, I would be nothing. I wouldn't win titles, honors, nothing. The most important thing is to enjoy yourself and be happy. Life is not about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, you can become it. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. The secret to my success is hard work and training. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Jossan Quotes.